Here I have Motorola Moto G Play 2023, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot mode on this device. To do this, firstly you'll have to turn your device off by holding down power key, then tap power off, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. In the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select an option Recovery Mode. When you see this Android robot laying down and no command message under it, hold down power key and press volume up once. In the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select the third option, Enter Fastboot. And after that you'll end up in the Fastboot mode. So here, just like in the previous menus, using volume keys you can navigate and using power key you can select, and you have such options as Reboot System Now, Enter Recovery, Reboot to Bootloader, and Power Off. So if you want to quit it, just select the first option, Reboot System Now, and your device will be restarted just as usual. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.